Fasting has been shown to improve longevity, with certain types of fasting being more effective than others. While caloric restriction, exercise, and weight loss can all drive up autophagy, the body's natural process of cellular recycling, recent research suggests that specific kinds of fasting may trigger more autophagy than caloric restriction alone. A 2019 rodent study found that mice following a one-meal-a-day diet lived significantly longer than mice on a caloric restriction diet, regardless of the type of food they were eating. This finding has been translated to humans in a study published in Nutrients, which examined overweight participants who followed an early time-restricted feeding (eTRF) schedule, consuming food between 8 a.m. and 2 p.m. and then fasting. Compared to the group that followed a 12-hour fast, eating between 8 a.m. and 8 p.m., the eTRF group showed increases in the longevity gene SIRT2 and the autophagy gene LC3A. Autophagy is crucial for longevity as it helps break down and recycle old or damaged cell components, such as organelles like mitochondria. This process, called mitophagy, allows weaker mitochondria to combine and form stronger, more efficient mitochondria. The elevation of the autophagy gene LC3A with eTRF suggests that the timing of fasting plays a significant role in its effectiveness. Fasting in the afternoon and evening appears to drive a stronger autophagy response, possibly due to the harmonious balance between our circadian rhythms and autophagy. A 2018 study published in BMC Genomics found that fasting affects 367 genes related to circadian cues, further emphasizing the importance of when we fast. To maximize the benefits of fasting, it is recommended to combine eTRF with aerobic exercise during the fasting period, preferably in the morning before starting to eat. This approach can help drive up autophagy when it is already at its highest. Additionally, incorporating green tea and turmeric into the diet may further induce autophagy. In summary, the type and timing of fasting play a crucial role in improving longevity through increased autophagy. By aligning fasting with our circadian rhythms and incorporating aerobic exercise, we can optimize the cellular recycling process and potentially extend our lifespan.